Perfect Laser to you guys. Perfect Laser is a good manufacturer of industry laser equipment since 1995. So you can get information that we have more than 20 years in this laser field. That's incredible. And our main products include laser marking machine, laser engraving machine, laser cutting machine, and laser welding machine. And more than 20 series and 300 types. All our machines have got CE, ISO, Road certificate, and certified by TUV and SGS. We've already got 63 national patents. Our core technical achievements can reach the international advanced level. So as a result, we have exported our products into more than 180 countries in the world, such as USA, Germany, Japan, UAE, and many other countries. How can we do such a great job? Because we have a talent team. 95% of our teammates are bachelor and master degree. We can offer you 2 hours quickly response and 24 hours after sales customer service. So our goal is really simple. The first one, we provide you the great quality, great value products at a reasonable prices, and we offer you the great customer service. Alright, so today we're going to show you how to use our machine to do such incredible job, such as engraving cutting. And we will introduce you the most hot selling models for you to choose. So, in order to thanks for watching and celebrating the March Shopping Festival, we prepared many benefits for you. The first one is the special price in our live showroom. You can get a 5% discount. You can get a 5% discount based on our original prices, and you can get coupons. So look at your phone here. Click here. You can get more information about our products, and you can get coupons. So today you have 2 benefits. The first one, 5% discount based on our original prices, and the second one, you can get an extra coupon. Coupons. It's really a great chance for you to purchase our products. Please don't hesitate and place up the order. And in addition to thanks for watching, we've also prepared many attractive gifts and attractive promotion policy for you. We're going to talk it later in detail. And now I'd like to invite our sales engineer, Mr. Dominic, to you, and he is really professional in this field. Let's give a round of applause to welcome him.
Yay! Wow! Thank you. It's such an honor to be here on this live show today. And thank you for joining our live show, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to know more information about our laser engraving and cutting machine, right?
Yes.
Yes, definitely. So, before that, we have to show you a few samples of what our machine can do, so that you can have a very good idea of what you're expecting when you use this machine. Okay, all right. Okay, so as you can see right here, we have our samples right here.
There's many samples.
Many
here.
samples. Wow, they're looking so amazing. All right, let's get to look at them one by one.
Okay.
Okay, let's start with, this one. Wow, this is really impressive. A bicycle, right?
Yes.
Yes, look at the cutting that has been done. It's round, it's shaped. Wow, this is so incredible. Let's have it for a clear view for our viewers, please. Wow, as you can see, it can be done very well. The shapes are done in a very good way, and I like what I see. All right, another one is on wood, right? Look at this picture right here. Wow, the characters are so clear. The picture, the display, I love it. Okay, let's have a view for our people who are watching with us. Wow, this is amazing. Can you see the pictures? The characters are all great. The horse is right there. Yes, so this is on a wood material. It can engrave and cut through here. Okay, this is amazing.
Next.
Wow, what more do we have? Okay, look here. Acrylic.
Really?
Acrylic, yes.
Wow, so
We
you
can engrave on acrylic material. This is a wonderful plane. Wow. Let's have it a better view for our viewers. Yes, you can fly all the way to our viewers. Wow. I'm so impressed. Okay, that is really outstanding. All right. Okay, but that's not more. That's not all. We still have another kind of acrylic material when we can have a wonderful Christmas tree.
Yes.
A Christmas tree. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Look. What can you see in this Christmas tree? I can see the stars and the circles inside. Wow, it's really amazing. Please, let's have it for our viewers. Okay. As you can see, the quality is really good.
And when you touch it, it's really smooth.
Yes, the smoothness is just great. All right. And then, no matter how big or small your acrylic material can be, but let's look, for example, a small kind.
It's so cute.
Yeah, it's adorable. I like it. Yes, this should be shown for them. Let's have them have a look at this wonderful job that our machine has done. Okay, I'm sure you're really impressed. No matter how big or small it can be, it can engrave and cut through, and you'll get the results you're looking for. And then, I'm sure you're pretty much impressed. But when you're impressed, you give us thumbs up, right? Yes, look at this. So incredible. Thumbs. Yes, you're enjoying it. Give us a thumbs up. Wonderful. Okay.
Next one.
What more are we looking for? Let's say you want to have your picture on a wood material. Look at this picture. Wow, the picture is so good. You can see it. If you want to have your picture drawn on wood, look. What about the quality? What do you think about this quality when you look at it?
Well, look at it. It's a beautiful lady, and it's
Yeah, it's smooth. I like it.
yes.
Please, let's have it for our viewers.
Okay.
Wow. You're going to be amazed by what you're looking at right now. You can have your picture on wood by the use of our machine. Okay, now let's say perhaps you're looking for something also in a different kind. Look at this acrylic material. It's red, you can see the shapes inside. Look, it's such a beautiful display. I like it. Wow, the smoothness is so much great. So please, let's have it for our viewers. No matter what color your material can be, however, the display will still look amazing. All right, you're impressed, ain't you? So, let's move on to our other kind of material. So, let's say you look at, what can you see?
I can see almost a live butterfly.
Yes, definitely, it is a butterfly. Look, when you just put it onto the working table, and it can just cut and engrave wonderfully there. Please, let's have our viewers have a look at what this machine can do. Wonderful. Okay. Yes, that is so great. The next sample that we're going to have a look at is look at these two different colors. And they look incredible.
Yes.
Can you see? Wow, this is so amazing. Let's have our viewers have a look at these two. All right. Wonderful. This is really impressive. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, perhaps you're wanting to deal with making some cards such as business cards, wedding cards, but look at how appealing this card is. Wow, this is so lovely. I like this. This is a wedding invitation card.
Yes.
Can you see how it looks like? Wow, let's have our viewers have a look at what we're observing when we use this machine. This machine can help you with your business. You can make business invitation cards, or wedding cards, or birthday cards. No matter what kind of cards you're willing to do, this machine can do it for you. All right, that is impressive. Now, let's say you are in the shoe industry business. Look at the shoe right here, and look at this wonderful kind of logo that we have here. For example, women, they want to say, oh, I want to have this on my shoe. This is what our machine can do, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Wow, this is really incredible. Let's have it for our viewers to have a look. It's really good for your business. Okay. All right. Now, perhaps you have a cylinder kind of object. Here is we have, as you can see right there. However, this one, we have an optionable item that is identified as a rotary fixture. So you quickly display it on the rotary fixture, and then it will go round and do some engraving onto cylindrical materials. So let's have it for our viewers to have a look. Okay. Wow. Right? Even
Yes.
you can round objects, it's also possible too.
Yes.
However, Now we go on to my favorite, and as you can see how it looks like. Wow! We have a display of Chinese characters right here. Let's come and approach much more closer for our viewers. You can see the pictures there.
Even though the small words,
Yes.
you can also see that.
Okay. Wonderful. All right. So, this machine, and also we have another one right here. Wow, it's so lovely. I like this.
Yes.
Yeah, wonderful. Okay, let's have it for our viewers. Okay. So, let's say also perhaps some logos that we deserve. As you can see, we have one right here. Wow, this is really good for your business, right? Let's have them have a look at the logo that we are looking at right here. Okay, wonderful. And the last one, as you can see, right here, wow,
Acrylic.
acrylic, yes, it's so smooth, right? Let's have it for our viewers. Okay, so I guess you've had to see all what our machine can do. Our machine can engrave on such objects like acrylic, bamboo, PVC, MDF, so much more. Unfortunately, it cannot engrave or cut on metallic materials. So, just as you have seen on our sample show, we have given you a demonstration of what you're expecting when you're using this machine when engraving and cutting. All right, that was all for the wonderful samples. All right, okay. Okay, so I'm glad you must be impressed by now by what you have seen throughout our sample show. So, ladies and gentlemen, from now we get to know more detailed information as I'm going to give you a whole overview about our cutting and engraving machine. Come along, please, ladies and gentlemen. This right here is it's a working table. So, we have two types of working table. One is a honeycomb working table. This one is a honeycomb working table, and we also have a strip working table. So, as you can see right here, on the honeycomb working table, it can do woven and non-woven fabric materials. So, which is actually what you can see right here. So the working table, if you have an acrylic, bamboo, any kind of material, you quickly please display it on the working table. So, we also have a linear guide rail. As you can see, on to my left, right here, and right here, we have linear guide rails. So the linear guide rails are supportive in moving back and forth when engraving on your material. So we have a large sized working table, and right here we have the laser head, and right underneath we have a red light pointer. So how can you measure? Right here, what you can see is a ruler. So you display the ruler under the laser head to know how much is the distance between the working table and the laser head for more accuracy and precision of engraving and cutting. That is really incredible. So, this is our ruler right here. And we also have window observers, the mirrors. So, this right here, you can close it when it is engraving and cutting. Why is this really important, ladies and gentlemen? For personal safety, to not get endangered with smoke and fumes. So, when you're engraving and cutting, you can close for your safety, and you can observe the engraving and cutting through these two window frames right here. Okay, all right. We also have to move on and see right here. We have an LCD screen, which is a 128 megabyte memory, and we have a friendly software. Our software is called ASCAD software. So you can have a USB port right here. Here is where you put your USB port. So the USB port for the files, if you have a picture that you want to use for your engraving and cutting through the material, you can put your USB right here. So, with this LCD screen, you can monitor and control the cutting and engraving, such as the buttons you see right here. Up, left, downwards, right. This is an indication for a start button. A stop button right here. So everything that you do, you control it through the usage of this LCD screen. The software is very easy to install and it's easy to use. Also, we have an emergency stop button. If you observe any malfunctioning or any problems during your engraving and cutting, please do not hesitate to place your hand on the emergency stop button. All right, so this is all about here right in front. Please come along behind with me as we see what we have right here. So I'm going to open up here. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, right here, what you can see is identified as a laser tube. What is a laser tube? A laser tube is a tube that can be used for 10,000 hours. So this is one incredible laser tube. This laser tube is much more long life serving, so it's much more better as compared to our other companies' laser tube. It can also have a lifespan of probably approximately 10 months. That is really incredible about this laser tube. So, right here, we have a water chiller. So what is a water chiller? A water chiller is used to monitor the temperature of this machine. So you put water and then it can remove the unwanted fire or dust or any kind of unwanted materials. That's how the water chiller helps. Okay, and here is our laser source right there. Okay, so as you can see what you have in this machine, you have a laser tube, a water chiller, and the window frames right here that you can see for observation when using this machine. All right. Okay. All right. That is concerning our laser and engraving cutting machine. I thank you so much for staying tuned and listening to all the detailed information concerning our laser engraving and cutting machine. So, ladies and gentlemen, now it's time to see the real wonders what this machine can do. So, right now I'm going to welcome on stage our wonderful and experienced engineer that we have at Perfect Laser. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our engineer, Mr. Wu! Hello, Mr. Wu, good to see you! Wonderful! I'm really anxious to see what this laser engraving and cutting machine has for us. So, we are going to see by our talented engineer what he can do. So, Mr. Wu, let's see what this machine can do. So, step by step, you're going to know how to use this machine. So, ladies and gentlemen, he turns on the machine. Alright, as you can see, there is a red light indication on the working table, right there. Okay, the linear guide rail is supportive in moving the laser head in a direction that enables for you to engrave and cut. Alright, so right now, we're going to have glass. Okay, so acrylic. Yes, so right now, as you can see here, so we also have some different machines that we have in this industry. So we have, as the one you see right behind me is a 1390 engraving and cutting machine. However, when you observe this machine is a much smaller size, but this one has the wheels. It has wheels. That's the difference that you can see between this machine. So, with our machine, it has one head, but this one has got a double head. That's quite the difference that you can see. And with other kind of machines, as you can see, they're more of like a flat bed surface. So that is more fabric for engraving and cutting. And also, we have different others right here that you can see. This one, it has a camera right there that when anything goes through, it can monitor it through here. So with different kinds of laser engraving and cutting machines, you can inquire from us, because with all these machines, from your requirements, please do not hesitate to email and contact us through calling. All right. Okay. kinds of applications. So it is suitable for fabric, cloth, leather, kinds of non-metallic materials. So, as you can see, all materials can be done for engraving, but with an exceptional item, which is metallic materials. This machine cannot engrave on and cut on metallic materials. All right, so it can engrave fabric, leather, and cloth in a high speed. So, with the high speed that we're talking about, ladies and gentlemen, let's have a look at what we have right here. Wow! This is amazing! Wow, let's have a look. Okay, as you can see right here, okay, as you can see right there. Right there. Okay, all right. There it is. Wow, this is incredible. I love this. Okay. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Wow. I love this. This is incredible. And next, we're going to have another look at another sample that we have by our engineer. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome again our engineer, Mr. Wu! Mr. Wu, this is wonderful. Look at this. I love this. They are enjoying. You've done wonderful. Great job. This is our wonderful experienced engineer that we have at Perfect Laser. So, right now, we are going to have another sample of what we are going to show you. So, right now, we have this, right, you see, is artificial leather. Artificial leather that you can see right here. Okay, I'm going to hand it over to our engineer, Mr. Wu. He places it on the working table and then measures the distance between the laser head and the working table. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Let's see. Mr. Wu, please begin. Wow! This is magnificent. Do you see the power of this machine? Okay. As you can see, the power of this machine is really incredible. All right. Wait, I'm guessing what I can see. You better be guessing what are you going to see after this is done. You're going to see exactly something as I've shown you during the samples. It's going to be incredible. Okay. Wow. I love see. It makes the circles so accurate. And you know, the design, it goes in flows. It's unbelievable. I'm really impressed with what I'm seeing right now. Okay. So, and with a comparison, you need to know furthermore information concerning our advantages of this machine. You know, it also has a thickness of the body shell. So the thickness of this body shell, it reaches about 3 millimeters, which is more safe and has a distortion prevention for about 5 to 10 years. But you know, with other suppliers, it's not quite the same. With their thickness, it's only about 1.5 millimeters. So the machine can easily be deformed after 1 year, which will decrease the cutting accuracy. Look at the cutting that I can see right here. Okay. Wow, this is really incredible. It's done! There it is. Wow. On leather fabric, can you see what I can see? Okay, wow. This is incredible. This is incredible. Wow. Okay. Yes, Mr. Wu, you have done a wonderful job. High five! Yay! I'm impressed. Wow, this is our wonderful and talented engineer. Please, ladies and gentlemen, he is a really dedicated and hardworking engineer that we have. I appreciate it so much. Thank you very much, Mr. Wu. Wow. I love this. And this is definitely mine, and you can have yours. See what this machine can do. All right. Thank you so much, Mr. Wu. All right. Next up, as you can see right here, on paper, a red paper. Okay? So, Mr. Wu, you are an incredible man. As I hand this over, show me more wonders. Okay, Mr. Wu. Wow, I'm anxious to see this. This is going to be incredible. On paper, I'm just anxious to see what the result will be like, right? Okay, I'm sure you will be impressed by what you're going to see after our engineer has done the wonderful work. Okay, so he goes back to the LCD screen and he uses a picture. Maybe you have a picture that you want, and you can do it on paper. It will come out absolutely outstanding. Great quality, great precision, great speed. This is really a machine that is very useful for you. Okay. All right. So, you know, all right, ladies and gentlemen, on paper, let's have a look. Mr. Wu! Wow. This is amazing. that I see, it's cutting very smoothly. The patterns are going to be looking really tremendously lovely. So, you know, with our company, we usually have different kinds of optionable items, such as the rotary fixture that is used for engraving and cutting on round and cylinder objects. We also have an electric lifting platform. The electric lifting platform, it depends on the working table that will be able to move in an upward and downward direction. And also an auto-feeding rolling system that is mostly used for fabric and cloth that can be easily moved. All right, wow, ladies and gentlemen, that was quick timing, isn't it? Yes. Wow. Okay. Okay, wonderful. Okay, there we have it. Good. Wow. This is exactly what I have shown you on our live show. Okay, right there. There you go. On paper. Okay. If you're a business that is dealing with designs that are made on paper, you can actually do it. Okay. All right. This is absolutely incredible. Wow. A hand of applause for our engineer. He's done a wonderful job. Wonderful. Okay. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm now going to give you more detailed information concerning about our optionable items that we have. So, right here, you can see is a rotary fixture. Okay? On a rotary fixture, we have for cylinder projects, cylinder kind of objects that you can put, such as, may I please kindly have the, okay, there, cylinder objects for the rotary fixture, such as this one. Yes, such as this one. So you can display it on the rotary fixture and it engraves around there and you will have it. Another one is an electric lifting platform for an upward and downward direction. That is also much more convenient. An auto-feeding and rolling system. So, this is more used for the kind of fabric or clothing that you have that will quickly roll into right here. And also what we have is a CCD camera for label edge cutting. That is what we have there. So, as behind the machine I've shown you is a laser tube, which is 10,000 hours lifetime. The warranty period is 10 months and has a power of 60 watts and to 190 watts. This usually comes within 1 to 2 pieces, as you can see right there. We also have an USA imported reflect mirror that it has a very good high transparent rate and efficiency and a long lifespan, which is about, you can have 3 to 6 pieces. And the USA imported focus lens, which is an imported material, protect from the laser beam, 1 to 2 pieces. And our linear guide rail is imported from Taiwan. So as you can see right here, what you have seen about our laser engraving and cutting machine. Wow, I'm impressed. From the sample show, from the demonstration of all the information I gave you about this machine and what you have observed with our engineer. Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time I introduce the wonderful lady who introduced me earlier on this live show today. Please, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back, UT! Yes, it's great to have you back here. Yes.
Thanks so much for
Yeah.
the detailed introduction to us about the machine.
Yes.
It's really incredible machine, right?
Yes. Did you enjoy what you have seen by our engineer, the samples and everything? This is a great machine.
Just like magic.
Yeah.
You know what? So I just see what the engineers do, and that's really unbelievable.
Yes.
So here, I have some questions from our customers.
Oh, our customers asked us questions.
Uh-huh.
I'm glad you asked. It will be an honor to answer your questions.
Good.
Okay.
I'm gonna ask you the questions.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready to answer your questions.
The first question is,
Okay.
what kind of materials can be marked by the UV laser marking machine? Okay, so, sorry, some mistakes. So, the first question is, what kind of materials can be possessed by this laser engraving cutting machine?
Oh, yes, that's a good question. The machine can engrave and cut all kinds of metal materials, such as acrylic, MDF, wood, bamboo, PVC board, as well as fabric, artificial leather, paper, carpet, and cloth. Yes.
That's a lot.
Yes, that's a lot, right? So many good optionable items for you.
So number 2 question is, what's the cutting accuracy and positioning accuracy?
Oh, the cutting accuracy is 0.02 to 0.03 millimeters. Yes, that's the cutting accuracy.
Okay. And the third question, what materials are suitable for a strip working table and honeycomb working table?
Oh yes, we have, like I said earlier on, 2 working tables. The strip working table is suitable for cutting hard and heavy objects, such as wood, acrylic, MDF, PVC board, and the loading ability is better. So much more harder objects, that's for the strip working table. However, as this one that you can see right behind me is the Honeycomb working table. So the Honeycomb working table is suitable for cutting soft materials, especially garment industry such as fabric, cloth, artificial leather, carpet, and so on. So by adding a vacuum absorbing platform, you can absorb the soft materials and avoid moving the machine's cutting gear. So that's the difference between these 2 working tables.
Oh, I see. So strip working table for heavy objects
Yes.
and the honeycomb working table for soft materials.
Yes,
That's
definitely.
good.
That's good.
Okay, so next question is, what should equip with lifting platform and what's lifting range?
Oh yes, generally when the thickness of the engraved object is thicker than 20 millimeters, we will recommend an extra lifting platform to lower down the working table automatically. The lifting platform is an optional item for this machine. Yes, it is. The lifting range is 300 millimeters. Yes.
Okay, so what software is used Yes, so what software is this?
Okay, yes, we use Radar Professional Laser Engraving and Cutting Software. It's a very professional software with a friendly interface that supports many different formats.
Okay, what are the consumables for the machine and what consumables are recommended for the first purchase of the machine?
Oh, the consumables, that's a good question. The consumables are laser tube, one set of reflect, mirror, and focus lens. Normally, we recommend you to buy extra 2 pieces of laser tube and one set of mirror lens and lens for backup. It can be delivered together with the machine. It will be safe for laser tube delivery since laser tube is made of glass and easy to get broken if it is delivered separately. Yeah,
So how to choose the lens?
Oh, it depends on the cutting and of the thickness of material. We have focus lens of 15 millimeters, 63.5 millimeters, and 100 millimeters. The bigger diameter is used for thicker material. If you want to cut and engrave, we will recommend 63.5 millimeters focus lens. If you want to cut thick materials, we recommend 100 millimeters focus lens.
So, are you a fan of painting company?
Oh, that's a very incredible question. Dear ladies and gentlemen, Perfect Laser is a factory and we have 20 years production experience in laser field. We have customized abilities according to your special requirement for laser marking.
So, how long is the lead time?
Well, the lead time is 7 to 10 working days. Please feel free to contact with me right now to start your purchasing plan so you can get the machine very soon.
So, how about the warranty?
The warranty, that's a very incredible question because now our warranty time is 12 months. While in today's live show, we will prolong it to 24 months for the whole machine. It's really a good chance if you buy it right now.
Yeah.
Yes, definitely.
Oh, what is the trade term?
Oh, both FOB, CIF, CFR, and EXW are mostly favorable.
Okay. So, what's the payment term? What's the payment term about that?
Yes, payment terms are quite flexible, so we accept wire transfer credit card, Western Union, PayPal, Alibaba Trade Assurance. So Perfect Laser is responsible for long life after sales service, including installation and training guidance, software updating, so you can be rest assured to order from us.
Okay.
Yes.
Good. So, what about after-sale service?
Yes, all the machines have passed European CE and ISO certification. So, it will comply with European safety standard and worth to buy.
Do you have any certificates?
Of course, we do have some certificates. And we have passed European CE and ISO certificate, so it will comply with European safety standard and worth to buy.
Do you arrange shipment for machines?
Of course, we arrange shipment based on FOB CIF terms by sea or by air. We have a very professional team for shipping. For the EXW price, Shipment shall be arranged by your shipping agent.
How about the packing?
The packing, yes, all packing are compliant with international exporting standard. So please, don't worry. We will deliver the machine to your factory and make sure that it is safe and no damages.
Okay, so thank you so much for your answers. I think it's really helpful for our customers to know our machine standard.
Yes.
So thank you so much. And just like we said before, we have many certificates.
Yes.
So right now, I'm going to show you our certificate. As you know that our CO2 engraving and cutting machine have got the, okay, thanks.
Okay.
Please tell me how it is.
Okay, sure.
So we've got the CE certificate, and I'm going to show you here. Look, this is our CE certificate, and next we've also got the Rose certificate here. Rose certificate here. So you know what? We have these two certificates, which means our products are compliant with the European standard.
Yeah.
So you have no worry to buy the products from us. So,
Yeah, and we have this certificate as well.
Of course, we
Yeah.
have this. We have the, look, okay. And this supplier, golden supplier certificate verified by SGS. As we know that the SGS is well-known inspection institute in the world. So it's really great, and you have no worry to buy the products from us, right?
Yes.
Thanks. So today, in order to promote our products,
Okay.
we prepare many benefits, right? So the first one is we have the 5 discount based on our original price for you, only in our live show.
Wow, that's a great
Yes.
deal.
And
Yes.
second one, you know what? We have an actual coupons for you.
Okay.
The coupons. And look at your phone. Here you can click here and check for more models to choose, and you can also get the coupons from here. Just click it. So today, you got 2 discounts today. The first one is 5 discount based on original price.
Wow.
The second one is the actual coupons.
Wow.
Yeah, so isn't it a great chance for you to choose our products?
Yeah, it's a good chance for our
Yes.
customers, right?
Don't let it go.
Yeah.
Okay, so look, but if you're not in our live showroom, it doesn't matter. You can also get coupons by do a screenshot at this page. You can screenshot at this page right here and send us your picture to show that you attended in our live showroom. So you can also enjoy the coupons and discount together. That's really good.
Yes.
Yeah, so except that, you know what, we can give you a better warranty time. And usually we provide the 12-month warranty time, right?
Yes.
But now, if you place the order in this month, we offer you 24-month warranty
Wow.
time.
24 months warranty time.
Yeah.
Much longer warranty time, right? That's a good deal. Yes.
You know why we can do that?
Yeah.
Because we have full confidence with our products,
Yeah.
and we have confidence that our products will make you satisfied.
Definitely.
So we can do that warranty time for you. That's really good. And besides, we've also prepared 100 SAS tablewares as a gift for you. Okay, the tablewares here. See?
Wow. These are the gifts.
Yes,
Wow,
they're
these are
good.
good gifts.
And it's
Wow.
beautiful. I gotta show you. Okay.
Okay.
Origami spoons. I'm gonna show you the picture. There is Chinese there, right? And I believe if you take this gift home, It will create a wonderful dinner time for you and your family.
Okay.
So would you like to take it home?
Yes. Please be rest assured to order from us right now in this live show.
Yes, and we're gonna send the gift to whom attended in our live show and place the order this month.
Yes.
Yes, so now we're gonna give you 10 seconds to take the screenshot.
Okay.
Yes, so are you ready?
Okay, I'm ready to count down.
Let's together.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! I hope you have taken the screenshot.
Yes, that's really good. Okay, so time's so fast.
Yeah.
And it's time to go to the next part.
Yeah.
The next part is about our another machine, and is
Laser marking machine.
that's good. Okay, so let's go to the rest.
Okay. All right.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Perfect Laser, and I'm your today's host, Yuri. It's a great honor for me to introduce Perfect Laser to you guys today. As we know that Perfect Laser is a professional manufacturer of industry laser equipment since 1995. So you can know that till now we have more than 25 years in this field. That is really a long time. And our main products include laser engraving machine, cutting machine, welding machine, and laser marking machine. All our machines have got the CE, ISO, ROS certificate, and certified by TUV and SGS. We have got 63 national patents and core technical achievements can reach the advanced international level. So as a result, our products have exported into more than 180 countries and areas in the world. That's a lot. It includes USA, Japan, Russia, UAE, Germany, and many other countries. And also, we've got a good reputation from our customers. So, why we can do such a wonderful job? Because we have a talent team. So 95% in our team are bachelor and master degree. Our goal is really simple. The first one, to provide you the high quality, high value products at reasonable prices. And number two is provide you the great customer service to you. And today, I'm going to show you how to introduce you the hot selling models for you to choose. Alright, so thanks for watching and celebrate the March Shopping Festival. We prepared many benefits for you. So the first one is the special price in our live showroom. Only in our live showroom, the first one is you can get 5 discount based on our original prices in this live showroom. And the second one is about the coupons. Okay, now everyone look at your phone and take out your phone. You can see here. You can click here to see more models that you want, and you can choose a model to know more information about that. And also you can click it to get your coupons. So you know that today you can get 2 benefits in our live showroom. First is 5% discount based on original prices, and the number 2 is about the coupons here. right? It's a great opportunity for you to purchase our products. It's very economical. So, in addition, we also prepare many gifts and attractive promotion posts for you. And if you are watching our live show, and please follow us by click the follow button on your phone there, so that you can subscribe our channel. Next time you can find us easily. And if you like us, please give us a like at your phone button, show that you like us. And I'm so happy that I'm so grateful for your support. So now I'd like to invite our sales engineer, Mr. Dominic. Okay, let's welcome him, and he's really professional in this field. Let's welcome him.
Oh, yes. Thank you for having me on this live show today, as we're going to have a wonderful, good view and information concerning our laser marking machine. Yes. So, stay tuned as you're going to get to know how this machine can mark on different kinds of objects, and the marking quality is surprising for you. You will not believe it until you have more to see on this live show. Okay, so now we're first of all going to have a look at a few samples that I'm going to show you right now. So the few samples that I'm going to show you here, okay, let's start with a few of these samples that we have right here. Okay, let's start with this one, glass. Wow, can you see how perfect Laser's logo is right there?
Yes.
It's so clear on the glass. You can have your name. You can actually use this for your business. You can make logos on glass, on different kinds of materials. So let's have it for our viewers to have a much better view on how the marking is done on glass. Wow, on glass, right? It's really incredible. And then we have on rubber. Look, wow, the marking is so clear.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so clear.
That's true.
Wow. If you're a company that is working and has a business, this machine can actually be useful for marking logos or having some markings on the products that you're selling. So please, do not hesitate to ask and inquire about our laser marking machine. Okay, wow, that was incredible. And then, another kind of glass. Oh, the first one was cup glass. This one, wow. You can see the flower.
Yeah.
You can see in the words, it's written perfectly. The date, it's so incredible. The quality is outstanding. I like it.
Yes.
Wow. Wow, that was amazing. See? Glass. And what more could there be? Let's take a look at our next one. Wow! Ear tags. Animal ear tags. So they can have like barcodes, numbers, and production dates and everything. So this is also really clear. The marking is so great. Quality is really incredible. Wow. We also, even if the ear tags are small or big, we also have another one, like a company that has a lot of big production, number 1, 2, 3, 4. The marking is so great. Yeah, definitely. I like
That
this.
is plastic.
Wow, that's amazing. So, we just had this one is plastic.
Oh.
Yeah. Wow. You can see the barcode there, the name of our company, Perfect Laser. Wow, this is also really good. Wonderful, wonderful. And what more could we have? Wow! Can you see this? Wow, the marking is so good. Yeah. On different kinds of, we can usually mark on glass, rubber, plastic, metals, PVC card, paper, MDF, and silica gel. So, okay, that's great. And let's say I want to have my own company pen, and I have my own logo on this company pen, right? Look! Perfect Laser on the company pen. Wow. Whatever ideas you want to have a marking on, it can do the wonders. Okay, and you might be asking, what about round objects, right?
Yes. Object.
Yes, it can still do it. On round objects, it's not just flat objects.
Can we do it on round subject?
Yes, round subjects too.
Yes.
Wow.
Wow.
So, no matter what color, this is another round object. Wow, this is also incredible. Okay, wow. And then,
What's this?
wow,
It's a box.
yeah, we can have a production code here. Yeah, the date was made, expiry dates, and things like those. Yeah, this is really incredible.
Here, the numbers here. Manufacture date. You can print the manufacture date on it. Bench numbers. All right.
Okay. And also, wow, on plastic, look at this. Wow. Even arrows, any kinds of designs that you have, it can do the marking, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And the last one is, look at this. Wow, you see the barcodes, the words, and everything. Wow. Okay, as you can see, wow, that is all we have for our sample show.
Yeah.
Can you see? So our laser marking machine can do it on glass, rubber, plastic, metals, paper, PVC card, silica gel, and MDF. Yes, on all these kind of materials. I thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for staying tuned, for watching all of these samples that we have shown you. Okay, thank you. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, it's now high time that I give you a whole overview concerning our 3W laser marking machine. Come along, ladies and gentlemen. So, as you can see right here, what you see is a 3D working table. This 3D working table is very good. It is 110 by 110 millimeters. So, as you can see, you can display your materials that you want on the working table. So you can easily adjust it right here. You can adjust how high or low it should be. So that is our 3D working table. Right here we have a digital scanning head. So the digital scanning head, it's right here, and we have the focus mirror. So the focus mirror is a very important source. It helps you for the precision and accuracy of your marking. This is a very important source. So the focus mirror lens has a direction towards the working table. So therefore it can have a good accuracy and efficiency in your marking. Alright. Right here, we have a screen. So the screen right here, you can monitor it by the keyboard and the mouse. So you can have some files here. Maybe it could be words, it could be pictures, it could be barcodes, anything that you want. You can have it on your LCD screen right here. As you can see on our LCD screen, we have our company logo right here, Perfect Laser. So if we want to have marking on the objects, you can put your objects right here and have your item or your logos on the LCD screen and able to start printing out efficiently. So, what can you see about this screen? It can be moved. It is movable right here. It can be moved. So that is also really incredible. Here you can see is called a ruler scale. So the ruler scale, you can adjust it up and down. That will move the digital scanning head up and down. So this ruler scale is helping the scanning head to move in an upward and downward direction in order to have a good distance between the focus mirror lens and the 3D working table. Okay, so as you can see, we also have a water chiller right here. So the water chiller, as you can see, it will have a some temperature here that will show you that the temperature of the water is normal. So if it is green, it is an indication that the temperature is good. So if it is red, it's giving you a warning or an indication towards about the temperature level of the water. So behind this water chiller, we have some exhaust fans. The exhaust fans is used to pull out the smoke that is used during the marking of this machine. Okay, so, ladies and gentlemen, this whole entire compact design of this machine can be shipped. All of this is entitled to one price. That includes the water chiller, the LCD screen, and everything that you see here. You might notice right here, there is a green button that is for starting on the machine, and a stop emergency button right there. So you have these two buttons right there for this machine. That's not all. We also have, as I open right here, okay, when I open right here, what do you see? I can see a computer. So this is a drive power for the computer, and here we have the laser source. So you have a computer and the laser source within right here. So, yes, that is very enabling for the functioning of marking when you're using this machine. So that is a computer, that is a laser source within just inside. So you need to turn on the computer in order to get started with this machine. So that is it. So this is the whole entire detailed information concerning our 3W laser marking machine. Wow. You are impressed, right? So this is really good for your business. So ladies and gentlemen, right now I'm going to call upon our talented engineer in this industry. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our engineer, Mr. Wu! Hey, hello, Mr. Wu. All right. Okay, so Mr. Wu is going to give a very good demonstration of how we can use this machine for marking. So he opens up here. As you can see, that is the laser power. Okay. Turns on the laser power. That is the laser source. Turns it on. Okay. That's how you use this machine. Okay. All right. That's the computer. That's the laser source. Okay. All right. So right here, we're going to have a marking. As you can see, there is nothing there. So, I'm going to hand it over to our talented engineer, Mr. Wu. And he's going to give you a demonstration on how you can use this machine. It is easy for you to use. Okay, let's have an observation from Mr. Wu on how to use the machine. Okay. All right, so you have your LCD screen here. So Mr. Wu is going to use our company's logo, Perfect Laser. And he's going to have a marking right here. as you can see, the focus lens mirror right onto the working table. So you're going to have a look there. Perfect laser on our LCD screen. So you are going to be impressed by the marking that you're going to see. It is fast. So you might be wondering, what are the main features concerning this machine? This machine has a full protected cabinet and can protect the human body from laser working to avoid any injuries by the laser. But what also can happen is that the mark of the environmental protection comply with CE and FDA standard. It can also support logos and graph designs in DXF format and AutoCAD and PLT. So it comes with a very good software, by the way. It is a ASCAD software, which is a very user-friendly software, very easy to operate. Also, the UV laser marking machine can mark dates, it can mark barcodes, it can mark two-dimensional code automatically. Our UV laser marking machine with superior performance, good stability and high conversion rate, and with a very low energy consumption. It is convenient feeding, it has a fast speed, and really good efficiency. So the rotary fixture of this machine is also an optional item for marking round pieces. And the round pieces, yes, such as this one that I have shown you in our sample show. So, yes, okay. So, right now, we are going to have a look at what our engineer can do. So, we're going to mark these 6 right here. 3 here and 3 there. Okay. Mr. Wu, you may begin. Okay. All right. There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. There we have it. The good quality and high efficient marking. Okay. Right there. Okay, perfect. Wow, that was a very good job done by our engineer. Next up, we're going to have another sample to show you. Okay, right here. Okay. Okay, right here, as you can see, there's absolutely nothing right there. So I'm going to hand it over to our engineer so we can do the good marking, okay? So, ladies and gentlemen, I put this onto a working table, and right there, you can see the image that we want to have a marking on. There is the image on the LCD screen. And then he adjusted it right there. He uses a ruler to measure the distance between the focus mirror and the object. And then adjust it using the ruler scale. in order for more precise marking. Okay, so he adjusted using a ruler and checking it there, the measurement, to see if it is what he's looking for. Now, he also adjusts the working table up and down, also left and right. Okay. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, the moment you've been waiting for, let's have a look what the wonders of this machine can do. Mr. Wu, may we begin? Okay. Wow. This is amazing. Look at the quality. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, our 3W laser marking machine. Wow. This is amazing. Good job done by our engineer, Mr. Wu. Wow. Okay. All right. Okay. Now it's high time that I will introduce the host who welcomed me earlier on this show. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome UT!
Thank you so much, Dominic.
Yes, you're welcome.
Yes, and I've seen that. That's really a great job, right? And you give us a detailed introduction of our products.
Yeah.
That's really good, and it can work on many different materials, many different kind of materials.
Yes. Did you see? All this is a good machine for marking. They can buy it for their business to mark on different kinds of materials, right?
So
Yes.
our customers send me many questions.
Oh, they sent many questions. I'm impressed. It will be an honor to answer as many of your questions.
Okay.
Please, let me listen to those questions.
The first one, what kind of materials can be marked by the UV laser marking machine?
Okay. It is widely used in 3C industry, including marking for metals, plastics, glass, LED, scribbling, laser rapid, prototyping, removal of metal and non-metal coating, silicon, wafer processing, and so on.
And the second question is, what's the repeat positioning accuracy of the UV laser marking machine?
Oh yes, the repeat positioning accuracy of UV laser marking machine can be as high as 0.001 millimeters.
Wow.
Wow.
That's very high.
Yes.
At number 3, what are marking materials? What are the marking materials difference of fiber laser marking machine and UV laser marking machine?
The UV laser marking machine not only can mark on metals, but can also mark on non-metals.
Wow.
Metals and non-metals.
Metals.
Yes. So, such as hard plastic, the glass, the MDF, yeah, and so many more. Yeah.
How about the marking speed?
Oh, the marking speed. Wow, what I just saw with our engineer,
Yeah.
the marking speed of 3 watts and 5 watts is 400 characters per second. And the marking speed of 10 watts is 500 characters per second. So the marking speed is very fast.
Okay. So, what's the working area of the UV laser marking machine?
The standard marking area is 110 by 110 millimeters, or 175 by 175 millimeters. Perfect Laser can also provide customization for larger working area.
So how about the software?
Oh, the software of this
Uh-huh.
machine. Yes, the software is ASCAD. It's a professional software, marking software, with a very good friendly interface and can support many kinds of file formats such as, PDF and, any kinds of different kinds of formats.
Okay, so thank you so much for answer, and I think it's really helpful for our customers to know our machines better.
Yes, definitely.
Yes, thank you so much. And I'm gonna show our certificate of this machine to our customers and to let them trust us.
Yes.
So please give me the certificate. Okay. So our UV laser marking machine has
Yes.
got a rose certificate.
Yes.
And here, okay, this is C certificate and rose certificate here. We got these two certificates, which means our products are compliant with the European standard. So you have no worry to buy these machines from us. And also, we've got the Golden Supplier certificate and certified by SGS. And as we know that SGS is really a well-known institute in the world. So you can buy the product from us.
Okay. So we are much more verified. So
Yes.
therefore, you can order this UV marking machine. So be rest assured to order from us, and we will deliver the shipping to your destination.
Yes, and we have many benefits for you. The first one just I said before, the 5 discount only in this live show, and the second one is about the coupons. You can get coupons from your phone and by click it, and you can know more models for you to choose and get coupons. And except all of these two things, we also have the beautiful things about the tableware. Yes, we have the gift for you, and our gift is the tableware, and it's really nice. And I believe we can create. If you take this home, we
Yeah.
can create a wonderful dinner time for you and your family.
Okay.
Yes.
Wonderful.
So please give us the order this month, and you can take the beautiful gifts home, and you can enjoy this coupons and discount. So I hope you already do the screenshot, because if you're not in our live showroom, that doesn't matter. You can also get the coupons by do the screenshot. You can do this, and you can get the coupons that you can enjoy it and then use it when you place the order. So are you ready to? Okay, we're gonna give 10 seconds to our customers to
Yes.
do such things. Okay?
Yes, definitely.
Yes. So let's count the numbers together.
Okay.
10,
Are you ready?
go.
Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! I hope you've taken your screenshot.
Yes. So time's so fast.
Yeah.
So now our show is drawing to the end.
Of course.
So if you're interested in our live show, please give us a like and please follow our show. Please subscribe our channel so that you can find us next time easily. And
Yes.
we are waiting for you here. And our Perfect Laser is willing to be your favorite partner.
For now and forever.
Yes.
So please kindly subscribe to our channels for more videos like this, because this company has more machines that can be good for your usage, for your business. So do not hesitate to email or contact us, and I will promptly reply to your messages.
Also, you can visit our website
Yes, you can
You
visit
can
our
see more
website.
information about our companies and our machines.
Yes.
You can find what you want on our
Okay.
website. So thank you so much today.
It's an honor for you to have us on our live show today. So,
Let's say goodbye.
okay, time passes so fast, and we wish to see you next
Next
time.
time.